Today we will prepare a bank account. We will not figure out the closing balance of bank. So here we will do something different. Today in this lesson, I'll show you how to figure out drawings, cash drawings by preparing a bank account. So here we have a question which is taken from Cambridge IGCSE Accounting First Paper. I will show you step by step how to prepare this account. So before we dive in here, let us have a look at the question. Stella started trading on 1st April 2021. All receipts are paid in the bank and all payments are made from the bank. She has not kept a full set of books but has provided the following information. So here we can see summary of receipt and payment for the year ended 31st March 2022. Okay, so here we see some receipts and payments. Okay, so here it is written, record the total receipts and total payments to Stella's bank account, showing the cash drawings for the year ended 31st March 2022. Balance the bank account and bring down the balance down on 1st April 2022. So here you see we need to figure out cash drawings, okay, in this bank account, bank ledger. So this question is not very common in the question in your exam, but still you need to know, okay, what will come in the exam you don't know. So if you have good knowledge about all the topics of this chapter, it will be very good for you to answer in your exam, okay, to get good scores in your exam, okay. So here you see the format. So here we have date, detail and dollar, date, details and dollar, okay. These three columns are credit column and these three columns are debit column, okay. So it is a bank account. So let us write here first bank account. So who is the business here? Business is here. Stella's, S-T-A-L-L-A, Stella, okay. So good. Now, so here in this side, this debit side, all receipts will be included, okay. Now all the payments will be on the credit side, okay, because when business make payment, bank amount is here decreased, okay, bank balance will be here decreased, bank account will be credited. So we will write on the credit side, okay. So first of all we need to figure out our total receipts, okay, because in the question it is said that we need to write total receipts and total payments, okay. So have a look at the question. We have here total receipts. We have here capital interest $8,000. We have loan receipt $5,000 and we have here cash sales $36,000, okay. So let us sum up these three amounts here. So capital was $8,000 and loan was $5,000 and sales was $36,000, okay. So if we sum up these three amounts, we get here $49,000, okay. So this is our total receipt. So we will come on the debit side and we will write here the date first, 2022 March 31st, okay, the last day of the financial period. So we will write here total receipts. So we calculated here $49,000, okay, great. Now we will record total payments, okay, where we will record on the credit side, okay. So here on the question trade payables we have furniture and fixtures, we have general expenses, rent, okay, drawings, it is a question mark, we will calculate here, and bank balance closing amount $2,330, okay. So let us write these amounts here one by one to calculate our total payments, okay. So we have here trade payables, we have here $17,850. We have fixtures $12,000. We have general expenses $1,920. We have rent and insurance $7,100. Okay. So now if we sum up these all four items, we get here $38,870. Okay. So this is our payment. So we will write here on the credit side the date 1st 2022 March 31st, we'll write here total payments. So here we calculated $38,870. Okay, so great. Now on the question we have the closing balance of this bank account. Okay, let us have a look at the questions. So here we see at the end of the items, bank balance at 31st March 2023 is $2,330. Okay, so this is the closing balance of the bank. So this closing balance will appear on the credit side here. Okay, so we will write here balance CD. Okay, balance CD. CD stands for balance carried on. CD, it is $2,330. Okay, great. Now we have to calculate. Okay, we have to check what is our cash drawings here. Okay, so which column is greater here? If we compare debit column to credit column, we see our debit dollar column is greater. Yeah, so let us sum up debit dollar column first. So here if we sum up, we get here $49,000. We will take this amount to the opposite side, means the credit dollar column. On the same level, we will write here $49,000. Now if we subtract these two amounts from this amount, this total $49,000, we get here $7,800. Okay, this is the amount of drawings. Okay, so we will write here drawings. Okay, so great. Now what to do? Now it is a requirement of the question, we need to bring down the balance. Okay, so we already carried down the balance, now we will bring down. Okay, how to bring down? So here on the credit side we have balance CD $2,330. Now we will go to the opposite side, means debit side. Below the total we will write balance BD. Okay, means balance brought down. So let us write here balance BD. So not this one. Okay, not 7,800. We will write this amount, the closing balance of bank. Okay, it is $2,330. So date will be here. It is stated on the question, the 1st of 1st April. So we will write here the date 2022 April 1st. Okay, if even date is not mentioned on the question, you need to write. Okay, how you understand which date to be written. So here for balance CD we wrote the date 31st March 2022. Okay, so balance PD it will be first day of next month. Okay, so it is here after March, it is here April 1st $2,230. Okay, this is not a common topic, but still you need to learn. So I'll see you soon with new video. Until then, bye bye and take care.